Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you are staying safe during this quarantine time. And you're working your business. If you have a business, if you do not have a business, online business, you need to get with me so I can share some different opportunities with you to show you how you can make money online. I'm back real quick because I've been checking my emails, been doing a lot of talking to people with this phone and making money with this phone. So it inspired me to do this video because I was talking to someone earlier about my lead gen secret. This particular program is so amazing, guys. It comes with leads of people that you can email every day. You get 100 people that you can email every day. The system is included. All you have to do is log in and send your offer to 100 people every day. Okay, so just want to show you the marketing system. I've talked about this before. So if you want more information on my lead gen secret, just click the link below. But today I just want to show you the marketing system. Okay, this program is only $30 a month to get these leads. Okay, so that you can promote your business too. But I just want to stay on this. This is the page you get with my lead gen secret. Okay, check it out. You get this page. I'm just going to keep going because I want to show you something. I'm getting to something. Stick with me. Okay, this is the page that everyone gets when you join. You pay $30 for one-time setup, and you pay $30 a month. Okay, so $60 gets you in. So this is the page that you're going to get. When you click here, right, you get this opt-in page, which goes to the company. That's fine. Okay, because they're going to do the follow-up emails for you, but you have no way to track the leads. Okay, so let me show you the marketing system I'm using. Okay, so that you can track your leads and you can communicate with your leads, but it comes with an autoresponder as well. Okay, check this system out. So which one would you prefer? This page or the one I'm going to show you? Okay, check this one out. Okay, you get this capture page. It has the opt-in form right here. But remember, they're going to go to you so that you can track your leads, but it comes with an email series follow-up. But they're your leads so you can keep up with them. Okay, so you get this capture page, and then let me show you the sales page. So this is a high converting sales funnel. Okay, now this is the sales page you get. Okay, so you get a capture page and you get this sales page. It has two buttons here. Step 1 for people to join my lead gen secret right here, and then step 2 to get this system that I'm talking to you about. Okay, this system is $25, but you make residual income, just as it states right here. Everybody that buys this system from you, they pay $25, you make $20 a month, over and over and over, as long as they keep this system. Okay, so to me, and for me, I'm using it, this system converts way better than the other one. Now look at it. Okay, it's very eye-catching. It's just not a whole lot of words, but the fonts are better on the eyes. From what I can see, you got the red lettering, you got your bullet points. Okay, so people can focus. It's just not a lot of words going down the screen. It's breaking down the commissions. Okay, and then it has those two buttons again. This page is popping. It pops. Okay, then it says let's talk money. Then it shows proof. Real proof of people that's making money with the system. So this page is more high converting than that standard page. Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3 times. Check this out. These step 2, 1 and 2 buttons is on here 3 times. Okay, that stands out. So that's what makes this pop. The colors, the red, the black and the white. So you'll get better conversions with this particular system than you would get with this one over here. See, this is the one you're going to get. I mean, of course, yeah, there's a video there, but look at this page. I mean, the font sizes are good, but see, it just goes on and on and on. You're going to get a better conversion from the other system I just showed you. Okay? And you can track your own leads. Okay? And this way you can follow with your leads. Even though the system is going to do it, you can see the names and emails of the people that's opted in. You cannot do that with the one that comes with My Lead Gen Secret. Okay? With this system, you're able to track all your leads that opt into your funnel. Okay? And it does a great job on selling both systems. This particular system right here is going to sell your prospects on My Lead Gen Secret, and it's going to sell them on this marketing system, all in one. Okay, all in one done system. So you're not only going to get people to join My Lead Gen Secret, where you can make commissions and you're getting leads, people to send your emails to every day. Then you're going to get a commission monthly for people when they join this particular system. When they purchase this system for $25, you make $20. Let me show you what the emails look like when you get a sale for referring people to this system, so you'll know what it looks like. Hang on a second. Check this out. I received an email from the company. Okay, it says, hot diggity money dancing dog. You just made a sale. Okay, this system is called the Home Business Academy system, by the way. So they sent me an email, and it says here, boom shaka laka laka. Okay, that's pretty cool. And it basically is telling me that you made a sale. Someone purchased that marketing system that I just showed you. And it goes down, says you earned a commission. Now, I'm not going to show the person's information, but I'm going to show you. You keep going and going. Right here, see, it says customer and order number. Okay? So it tells me below there the name of the person that purchased it, their email address, and their phone number, guys. So this is the system you want to get. So what I'm going to do is put the link below to go ahead and get this system. It's $25. If you're already in My Lead Gen Secret, go ahead and grab this system. $25 today is what you will spend. Everybody you refer to the system, you make $20 every month. If you're not in My Lead Gen Secret, wonderful. Go ahead and grab them both. If you have any questions, give me a call. Meanwhile, go ahead and check it out. I'll put the links below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, you guys stay safe out there, and I'll be back to continually show you different home-based business opportunities you can check out to make money online. Okay, guys, be safe. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.